Well, what's going on, guys? Hushy's Aviation here. Today I'm back with another unboxing video. I know it's been a while since I've last done one. Today we're doing a dual unboxing. We first have the American Eagle E175 in the newer livery, if you can even say that anymore, as well as the American A319 and also in the newer livery. So I guess we'll go ahead and start with this one first. As per usual, you can flip up and look inside. There's the model. And then here is, you can read that information about the A319/A320 family, as well as the, try and get a little bit closer, aircraft information. If you want to pause, you can go ahead and have a look at that. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get straight into the model. It's just like every other Geminijets box you've seen. Open to the side, that goes over there, this comes out, and yeah, take that off. Take off the, sorry, I'm looking through my LCD screen. Take off the paper, and here is the model. Hold on, let me go ahead and move that out of the way. Just dropped it. Nice going. Okay, so here's the model. As I said, it's an A319. I guess we'll do some close-ups of it. I'll just go in detail right now, I suppose. So up here in the front, we have, I'm working with bad focus. We have the cockpit and the American logo. If we move down, we have the A319's wings, as well as its new sharklets. Fairly new, I should say. And then moving back, we have the tail. It's a tiny aircraft. It's really hard to do it all in like different frames. But there it is. We'll do the undercarriage now. Looks like that. Pretty simple. We have a few antennas and stuff like that. Looks very nice. Of course, highly packed detail, as expected from Geminijets, and per usual, the wheels do indeed roll. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this model. Not a whole lot to say. Let's go ahead and get to the next one. Okay, and for the E175, also with American Airlines, or Eagle I should say. There's the model, then same thing as per usual. There's the aircraft information. If you want to pause, there you go. And then if I can fit it, if you can read that, there's the just information about the Embraer E-jets and stuff like that. Box, same as they always are. Let's just go ahead and open it. The plastic piece comes off. You know how the drill goes. And yeah, go ahead and move that out of the way. So there's the model. Gonna move that, grab that, and there it is. So this is the E175, not to be confused with the E170. Yeah, it's a regional jet. I think this one's operated by Mesa. I'm going to try and see if you guys can see it. Probably not. See if the camera wants to focus. Probably not, though. I'll read here. I'm going to read off camera for you guys. Yeah, I think it is operated by Mesa. Don't quote me on that, though. But Mesa is like, it's like a sub carrier, so to speak. They own the aircraft, so like pilots working for Mesa will also fly for like planes under Delta liveries and whatnot. Same thing with like Envoy and SkyWest. That's what pretty much, that's how the regional airlines kind of work. Operated by like sub airlines, owned by the bigger airlines. That's how it all works pretty much. But we'll do some close-ups of the model, and yeah, I guess we'll, I don't know. I guess we'll do some shots in the airport, I suppose. Here, I'm just going to keep this all in one shot just for the sake of simplicity. So in the front, we have the cockpit windows. Then we have the American Eagle logo, as well as the American Eagle, not the American Eagle, sorry, the wings on the E175, pretty cool because the winglet's actually slightly slanted. If you look at photos of actual E175s, you'll see that it's like at a weird angle, so that's pretty cool. And then moving to the back, if that will focus, we have the American Airlines tail, and let me go ahead and flip the model over. There's the undercarriage as before. Also, both of these do have like slots with like a model stand in if you want to display it. And then the E175 actually has this like weird bar right here. I don't know if you can see it pretty well. Probably not because the focus is really bad. But I'm not quite sure what it's all about. But there's also an antenna down there. That's pretty much it for the model review. Actually, there's one more thing I'm going to do, and that'll be in the next shot. So I'm going to go in the next shot. I'm going to show you guys this. Then we'll do some airport close-ups, I suppose, and that'll be it. Let's try and get these both in the same shot here. Just so you don't know, this is a comparison. That's the A319. Then over here is the A320. The A320, of course, is slightly longer. It also doesn't have sharklets, as the A319 does. I just want to do a quick comparison for you guys. So yeah, now for the close-ups.